Prepared 4X Emergency Mylar Poncho, your lightweight shield against the elements. The Prepared 4X Emergency Mylar Poncho is a must-have for anyone who loves outdoor adventures or simply wants to be ready for unexpected weather. It's a smart combo of a poncho and an emergency blanket, designed to keep you warm and dry when conditions get rough. This poncho is made from durable, tear-resistant mylar that reflects up to 90% of your body heat. That means if you're caught in cold rain, wind, or even snow, it helps protect you from hypothermia by trapping your body warmth. Unlike regular emergency blankets that you have to wrap around yourself, this poncho fits over your shoulders with a hood, giving you full body coverage while still letting you move freely. It's waterproof, windproof, and lightweight, easy to fold up and keep in your backpack, glove compartment, or emergency kit. RockPack Pioneer Series, your ultimate outdoor power companion. The RockPack Pioneer Series is a tough, all-in-one device built for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring the wilderness, this rugged power bank keeps your gadgets charged and safe in extreme conditions. It comes with a powerful 12,000 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery and a solar panel. This means you can charge your devices through two USB ports, and the solar panel acts as a backup for long trips, so you never run out of power. While the solar panel takes a while to fully charge, it's perfect for keeping your devices topped up when you're away from electrical outlets. Designed for the toughest conditions, the RockPack is waterproof, IP67 rated, and it can withstand being submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. Plus, it's drop tested to military standards, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged on your adventures. Rope Roller, the fastest way to tighten ropes anywhere. The Rope Roller is a small but powerful gadget that makes setting up tents, tarps, or awnings super easy. No more wasting time tying complicated knots. Just slide the rope in, pull, and it's tight. This clever tool has a working load of 35 pounds and can handle up to 115 pounds, which is more than enough for most outdoor tasks. It works perfectly with paracord and is built to be strong yet super light, only 0.8 ounces, so you can carry it anywhere without even noticing it's there. What makes Rope Roller special is its patented roller design. Even though it looks simple, the smart engineering inside helps you get the job done faster and more securely. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity where you need to secure gear quickly. Plus, it fits easily into your backpack or pocket. At just $13, Rope Roller is an affordable, time-saving tool that every adventurer should have. Shutterbomb's EG18X smoke bombs are a must-have for anyone looking to add some flair to their setup. These premium smoke bombs are famous for appearing in movies like Fast and Furious and The Walking Dead. They've even teamed up with F1. What makes them stand out? Each smoke bomb gives you 90 seconds of colorful smoke in one of 9 shades, perfect for creating dramatic effects or a quick escape. They're super easy to use. Simply pull the ring and you're set to go. Whether you're an action movie fan, into photography, or just looking for a fun gadget, these smoke bombs offer a simple way to make a big impact. They're great for creating eye-catching visuals, and with their affordable price, starting at just $12 for one bomb, you get amazing value for your money. If you want a fun way to stand out or add some excitement to your next project, Shutterbomb's EG18X is the way to go. Skull and Bones Gauntlet-style hand claws. The Skull and Bones Gauntlet-style hand claws are the ultimate mix of style and strength. These unique claws have a cool design that's a cross between Wolverine's famous claws and a weapon from your favorite video game. At just $39, these claws are an exciting and affordable way to add a bit of edge to your look. Made with 3 11.5-inch steel claws, they're perfect for anyone who loves a fierce and bold design. Though the claws aren't sharp right out of the box, they're easy to sharpen, so you can customize them to your liking. With their striking skull and bone design, they're sure to grab attention and send a message. These hand claws aren't just for collectors. They're also a fun and memorable gift idea for a birthday or Christmas. Steambow AR-6 Stinger II, the ultimate tactical crossbow. The Steamboat AR-6 Stinger II is a compact tactical crossbow that packs a punch. Weighing just 2.5 pounds and measuring between 22 to 24.5 inches, it's small, lightweight, and super easy to handle. Despite its size, it's built for speed, firing 6 bolts in quick succession with a 6-shot magazine. This crossbow has a 55-pound draw weight and can shoot bolts at speeds up to 190 FPS, delivering around 10.2 feet-pounds of energy. It's perfect for small game hunting, tactical use, or just having fun in the great outdoors. Plus, its rugged design features a shock-resistant, glass-infused polymer body that's UV-resistant, making it durable enough for tough conditions. The AR-6 Stinger II also comes with fiber optic sights for precision aiming, and you can add accessories like lasers or flashlights using the Picatinny rails.
When you're faced with an emergency, you need to think on your the one survival tool you can your feet. Can you make lemonade when life throws you lemons? Enter the Survive Way. Their survival duct tape. Not go without.
What makes it even better is its size and strength. The tape is 5 centimeters wide, waterproof, and tough enough to help you build a shelter if needed. But here's the best part. It's easy to tear into strips with just your hands. No scissors required. Promoted as the one survival tool you can't afford to leave behind, this duct tape is a game changer. It's perfect for any survival situation, or just as a backup for fixing things on the go. All this for just $11 per roll. No matter where you are or what you're up to, Surviveware's outdoor duct tape is a reliable, multi-purpose tool that can make a huge difference when you need it most. Tac Wallet, a tactical wallet with serious features. The Tac Wallet by Quicklight isn't just your everyday wallet. It's a rugged, all-in-one tool made for people who need function, toughness, and convenience in one sleek package. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, stainless steel, and durable nylon, this wallet can take a beating and still keep going. One of its coolest features is the built-in LED flashlight. With 2 Cree LEDs that shine up to 150 lumens, it's great for late-night use or emergencies. Just tap the button to turn it on, or hold it for 2 seconds to activate a flashing safety strobe, perfect for signaling in dangerous situations. It's not just about light, though. The Tac Wallet also works as a multi-tool, with a bottle opener, screwdriver, glass breaker, and even a spot to attach a carabiner. Plus, Titan Emergency Survival Blanket. Stay safe, warm, and ready. The Titan Emergency Survival Blanket is an essential piece of gear for anyone who loves the outdoors or wants to be prepared for emergencies. Originally designed using NASA-developed mylar material, this blanket is made to keep you warm by reflecting up to 90% of your body heat. Whether you're out camping, hiking, or stuck in a survival situation, this blanket can be a real lifesaver. It's big enough to fully cover you, measuring 70 by 90 inches, but folds down into a compact size that easily fits in your pocket or backpack. It's waterproof, windproof, and tear-resistant, so you can rely on it even in harsh weather. You can also reuse it many times, unlike cheap single-use ones. One side features a high-visibility surface to help rescuers spot you. Titaner TIFSH04, a cool little tool with big surprises. The Titaner TSH04 is more than just a quirky gadget. It's a smart, compact multi-tool built for real-life use and a bit of fun. At first glance, it looks like a tiny capsule, but inside, it's full of surprises. It works as a mini grappling hook, a fishing gear storage box, a hidden cache or pill container, or even a stylish desk toy. This pocket-sized tool is waterproof and built from strong bone and high-quality materials. One version measures just 1.5 inches and weighs only 1.6 ounces. Small enough to carry anywhere, but tough enough for action. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just love cool gear, it's got your back. You don't need to be a survival expert to enjoy it. Its hidden storage space is perfect for storing emergency items like cash or pills discreetly. It's also just plain fun to use and show off. Umarex T4E HDS-68. The Umarex T4E HDS-68 is a powerful air pistol designed for quick and effective self-defense. It's easy to use and activates in just a few seconds. All it takes is a quick tap on the bottom, which punctures the CO2 capsule, and you'll see a pressure indicator light up, showing it's ready to fire. This air pistol is flexible and lets you choose from different types of projectiles, like rubber balls, pepper balls, chalk balls, or paintballs. One of its coolest features is the ability to fire from both barrels at the same time, or just one at a time. It holds 2 rounds in the magazine and shoots at a speed of 328 feet per second. The Umarex T4E HDS-68 is a great option for self-defense with a price tag of around $180. It's quick, powerful, and easy to use, making it an excellent tool for personal protection. Whether you're looking for something to keep at home or carry with you, this pistol offers a reliable way to stay safe. USMC Blackout Combat Double-Edged Sword. The USMC Blackout Combat Sword is a powerful combination of tradition and innovation, inspired by the United States Marine Corps. It features a sharp, double-edged blade made from AUS-6 steel, a high-quality Japanese metal known for its resistance to rust and chipping. The sword's total length is 27.5 inches, and the blade itself is about 19.75 inches long. Built to last, the blade has an anti-reflective coating to reduce glare, making it perfect for any tactical situation. The rubber grip ensures a firm hold, even in the heat of action, so you don't have to worry about slipping. This sword also comes with a handy glass breaker, and it's stored safely in a durable nylon scabbard for easy transport. Venom Gator V2. Your ultimate snake bite protection. If you're heading into snake-prone areas, the Venom Gator V2 is a must-have for your outdoor gear. Designed for serious protection, these gaiters are made from durable military-grade materials, ensuring you're safe from snake bites during your adventures, whether you're camping, hiking, or out in the wild. What makes these gaiters so reliable is their secure and comfortable fit. They feature a combination of laces, snap buttons, and Velcro to stay in place, so you don't have to worry about adjusting them while you're on the move. These gaiters have been tested against the deadly king brown snake, one of the most venomous snakes, and proved to hold up without a problem. For just $190, you're getting top-notch protection that could save your life in dangerous situations. Wasp Injection Knife. The Wasp Injection Knife is one of the most fearsome weapons out there. Known for its extreme power, this knife isn't just made to wound, it can tear through a target with shocking force. Made in the United States, this knife was originally designed to protect against large predators, but its deadly features have also made it a favorite for military personnel and extreme defenders. What makes this knife so dangerous is its CO2 cartridge built into the handle. When you strike, you simply press a button to release gas into the victim through a special channel. With a pressure of 60 atmospheres, about 7 times more than the pressure in a truck tire, this knife can cause serious damage. Wicked Laser's Flash Torch, the world's brightest flashlight? The Flash Torch by Wicked Lasers is no ordinary flashlight. It's powerful enough to start fires, boil water, and even melt metal. Yes, it's that intense. Built more like a sci-fi gadget than a regular torch, this flashlight is designed for serious heat and brightness. But this kind of power comes with a few trade-offs. The lamp only lasts around 100 hours, and when used at full brightness, the battery dies in just 15 minutes. It also comes with a hefty price tag of over $400. And it's pretty heavy too, weighing about 1 kilogram. So is it worth it? That depends. If you love survival tools, high-powered gadgets, or just want something cool to show off, the Flash Torch is a beast. It's not the most practical flashlight out there, but it's definitely one of the most exciting. Whether you're lighting up the night or setting stuff on fire. Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman, your ultimate camping companion. The Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman is the perfect multi-tool for outdoor lovers. This handy tool combines 4 essential functions into one compact design, making it a must-have for any camping trip. Weighing just 3 pounds and measuring 23 inches long, it's easy to carry and perfect for tackling a variety of outdoor tasks. It comes with a sharp 5-inch stainless steel axe blade for chopping firewood, two 15-inch saw blades for cutting, and a heavy-duty mallet for driving tent stakes. Plus, there's a stake puller built into the handle, making it easy to remove tent stakes when it's time to pack up. The handle is also designed with a non-slip rubber grip, giving you comfort and control while using it. It even doubles as a safety sheath for the axe blade and holds the saw blade when not in use, keeping everything neatly packed.